it's Rachel from Sweet and Simple Home. Thanks for coming by my channel today. I'm hitting up the back to school pretty hard today. My last video was back to school too. It's just where I'm at. I'm a teacher, my husband's a teacher. I have a senior, a ninth grader, a freshman, and a fourth grader this year going into school. So I've been pretty busy. And we've also had this weird sort of mixture of loss going on towards the end of July through now. We lost a friend to cancer, which was really hard. And then the Pacific Northwest, where I live, has been hit particularly hard this summer with fires. And there's sort of like an orange glow in my house, and that's just how the sky looks because of all the smoke. We've had really unhealthy levels of air for the past, I don't know, week and a half since we got back from vacation. We can't really go outside. Yeah, it's not great. And we have family back in Washington where we lived before we moved here. It's been particularly hard on because in Spokane, there was this huge fire where a lot of people lost their homes. It's just been a very emotionally taxing couple of weeks. That being said, I haven't really felt much like being in front of the camera. I want to be focusing on what I'm grateful for right now, and it's easy to get frustrated. All the kids can't go outside, so all in the house, and the house is getting messy and it's chaotic. Things that we've been watching and supporting other friends through, it's not happening to us, like, yeah, it's really smoky and a little stressful right now, but we have a lot to be grateful for. So I'm going to focus on that today. I have a lot to do, and I'm going to take you along with me. I have a small little pile of fun things to share with you. I got for my fourth grader, my youngest, for back to school from Quince. I am partnering with them for back to school, and I'm so excited because I love working with them. They've been a delight to work with. They are a fantastic company. I love their mission that they want to provide quality things made out of great materials, things that will last, that add to your quality of life. So I picked a few things for my youngest, and I'll jump right into showing that to you. So this is the first thing I got for my youngest. It is the recycled lunchbox from Quince, and it is in the color block color. They have lots of different colors that you can choose from, and we really like this lunchbox. First off, because it has this clip. And if you were unaware, my niece actually showed this to me on her little backpack, that you can clip these on to the hook at the top of their backpack. So then when they get to school, you can undo this. They don't have to like dig through their backpack to get their lunchbox out and put it in the cubby. At least that's the way it is in our school. You have to put your lunch in the cubby. That will make it really easy for him to put his lunch where it needs to go when he first gets to school. There's a little front zipper here with a pocket, and I can see myself tucking like napkins, little notes. And I love this, that you could also maybe tuck some things in here, maybe like your spoon or something like that. Maybe that's where silverware goes. And there's a spot for their name, which I also love that. As a teacher, that's fantastic. If another child of yours uses it the next year and you want to switch out their name, it's not like you wrote on it with Sharpie. You can just pull that out. That's fantastic. So I also picked out a few clothing items for him from their back to school line. They have some really great athletic things that they could wear to school. They have some really cute little dresses that I totally would have bought for Molly back in the day. So I got the flow knit joggers in heather green. I love this color, and he likes how there's this kind of colorful tie at the top that makes it look unique. They are so soft, so cozy. He will feel so comfortable wearing these. What I really like about Quince's line of clothing for kids is that it's really easy to pair their pieces and make outfits. So I also got the flow knit breeze tee, and I got this one in heather dewstone, and I love this color. This is like the color of my son's eyes, so he's gonna look so handsome. Then I also got from the flow knit line the tech shorts in sand dune. The texture, again, is so soft. They're not overly abrasive. They fit really well, really cozy and comfy. So as a mom, I also really appreciate that they sent extra buttons. So I hope you enjoyed seeing what I got for my son from Quince. I'll have links down below to the items that I got. I hope you'll go check them out and maybe explore and see what else they have that would work for your kids or your grandkids. Thank you so much to Quince for partnering with me again. We are really excited to use our new items for back to school. Okay, so I am going to now shift gears to work on prepping some things for my classroom. And this year I have a bigger class, so I'm definitely thinking through organizations. Okay, so I like to use these sorts of little containers on the tables. Our school has tables where like 4 or 5 students sit around, and then I put one of these in the middle of the table. I bought the blue ones last year, which I did not have this year when I went to get more, because I have more students this year. I'm gonna have a need for more supplies. These are all pencils that were in pretty good shape at the end of the year. I'm gonna sharpen them and get them ready, but I usually put the pencils in the long one, and then crayons, and then if we need scissors or glue, they go here, but we won't need scissors or glue at first because there's extra instruction that comes with using scissors and glue, so we'll get to that, just not yet. So I'm gonna start with pencils and make sure they're all sharpened, and then these are all the crayons from last year that were still in really good shape, and I'm going to distribute them amongst these. Some of these still have stickers as well that I need to get off. I did take a magic eraser and give these a clean. It's not perfect, but these are gonna look like that after a day anyway, so I'm not too worried. They are all clean with soap and water. I did that last week. And then this is going to be my paper turn-in tray. So I want to put a label on here that says turn in or papers or something like that. I'm trying to think what I want it to say. Maybe just turn in. So I'm gonna get my electric pencil sharpener out and we're going to sharpen some pencils. Mission accomplished. And I do pokey side down. Pencils are in. Next, I'm going to fill the 2 small ones with crayons because we got a lot of coloring to do our first 2 weeks together. All right, so I have crayons in each little spot, and I don't overfill because the kids like to be able to put their little fingers in and find the color they're looking for. So if you pack it in too tight, they can't rummage. So that's the plan, to have a few in each. And then I always have this full as well. I have a few more boxes I can empty into this, so we have extras if they can't find the color they need for whatever we're working on. So these are my supply caddies ready to go. And I think I am just gonna put turn in on this on a label. Turn in, okay. That's good. Took me 3 tries. All right, I'm definitely feeling good about all I accomplished. Got my turn in sign. I keep it simple. You guys know this about me already. So the sky is getting like more and more ominous, more and more orange as the day goes on. So I wanted to say one of the things that hasn't come yet is I ordered some apple-shaped die cuts that I'm going to write their names on for their name tags for their spots at the tables. And I think that'll be really fun because, you know, apples, the connotation being back to school, but we're also studying apples in our science units in the fall. So I'm kind of excited about that. I think that would be a nice touch. The little caddies in the center and the apples marking their spot to sit. It'll be a sort of friendly, cheerful looking classroom. That's my hope. So while I love getting really high quality, nice things for my kids who are back to school new, sometimes there's things that we reuse, like shoes, rulers, pencil bags, things like that. And I mentioned that in my last back to school video. One of the things I have my kids do is a back to school try on fashion show. And we try on all their old stuff, see how it fits. And, you know, because I have 2 boys, sometimes I'll set aside some things for the next boy, or if it's too worn out, we figure out what to do with it. And so it can be kind of like pulling teeth sometimes to do this now that my kids are older. So what they get as a reward is extra, you know, screen time or an extra dessert, whatever it is that is the motivation for them. When they were little, we used to be like, okay, as soon as we're done trying on our clothes to see how they fit, we'll get a bowl of ice cream, or we'll watch this movie, or whatever it was that motivated them. So that's one of my tips, is to have a back to school try on sesh kind of make it a thing, have snacks, make it fun, reward them for putting in that effort, because it just, for whatever reason, at least for my kids, they absolutely hate that try-on sessions. Okay, last but not least, because I'm a teacher, I have learned to do this in advance. I did not do this last year, and this year is my daughter's last year. She's going to be a senior, and I don't want to miss it this year, as I want to write a first day of school note to put in their lunchbox. And so I have some vintage stationery that I thrifted. I'm just going to use some of this and get this done now so that I can have it ready to go for day one, and I don't have to stress about getting it done when I'm also stressing about the first day of school. I think it's valuable, especially, coming from a mom whose child is going into her very last year. It is fast. It goes fast, and using these days that you have to express love and support to your kids, I think it matters. I think it's important. So I'm going to set aside a few minutes to write each of my kids a back to school lunch letter. And I don't plan on doing this every single day, every single week, but to start off the school year, definitely. All right, you guys, I think I'm going to call it right here for today. But thank you so much for hanging out with me today while I continue to prepare for back to school, and just for being patient with me in this really kind of bumpy season that we're in. And I also just want to say thank you again so much to Quince. My son loves his clothes. He loves them so much. He's just like, oh, these are so comfortable, Mom. So definitely go check out those links. I'll have everything linked down below for you guys. They have awesome clothes for children, for adults. I'm even wearing a Quince tee today. It's so comfy. Definitely go check them out, even if you just want to shop for yourself. They have fantastic stuff. So you guys take care. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back with more soon. Bye.